Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the environment predictable and calm so the snake feels less threatened. First, confirm the warm hide is at 88 degrees and ambient at 78-82 degrees. This encourages movement. Once done, reduce noise and dim lighting for 10-20 minutes to lower stress. Put on nitrile gloves and have a soft towel and a secure hide box within reach so you can move quickly but gently. This setup reduces flight reflex and prepares you to guide the python without sudden actions. You now coax the ball python toward the exit using calm, measured motions. Approach from the side to avoid triggering defensive striking. Place one hand near the tail and use gentle strokes along the body toward the enclosure opening. Make sure the exit path leads directly into the warm hide or a tunnel you positioned. Snakes follow temperature cues and will move toward warmth. If the snake hesitates, pause and let it acclimate. Repeated slow guidance is far better than forceful extraction, which raises stress and risk. You complete the retrieval by lifting the snake with supportive, smooth motions. Slide one hand under the front third and another under mid-body, never grab the head. Support keeps the python relaxed. Move directly into the prepared hide box, lowering it so the snake enters willingly, then close the lid gently. If the snake balls up or shows defensive biting, stop and step back. Wait 20-30 minutes, reduce stimuli, then try again more slowly. Patience prevents escalation and protects both you and the snake.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.